video. Today we're gonna go through the very first steps you have to do in order to do telekinesis. When it comes to telekinesis, there's a few things you have to do to be able to do telekinesis, to unlock the powers, if you like to say that. For telekinesis, you have to have a clear mind. That means that you're able to think of nothing. Many people try to do telekinesis while they're picturing the movement of the object. So they have their object right in front of them and they try to imagine the way it would move. But that is the wrong approach. What you actually have to do is clear your mind, focus just on the relationship to the object, on the relationship, the memories, and on the feeling. Focus on the feeling, the emotion towards the object. This is what can make it move. So, the first step is clear your mind. What is the second step? Physically speaking, you have to feed your brain with enough oxygen in order to do telekinesis or any kinesis. The way I figured out is the best way to do it is you have to inhale 100% through your nose and exhale 50%, and then inhale 100% and exhale 50% through your mouth. So you never fully breathe out, but you always fully breathe in. When you do that for the first few times, you might realize that you might get a little lightheaded, but that is normal because you're not used to this way of breathing. Just practice while you meditate. Practice that, and after a few weeks or months, you're gonna get used to it, and you're not gonna get lightheaded anymore. You're gonna work very efficiently, and then you can do telekinesis. But there's another step. I just mentioned it. Meditation. In your free time, you have to meditate, because only then you're gonna be able to clear your mind. And while you meditate, do the breathing as well, so you can practice those two things at the same time. But one more very, very important step. There's 5 things you have to do telekinesis. You have to make sure that you are healthy. You can't be sick long term or short term. You have to have a healthy diet, eat very healthy, exercise, do these things. Also, we have to be appreciative. We have to appreciate the little things and the big things. Everything people do for us, we take for granted. We should be more aware of it and thank for that. Also, we need to do our work. We have to do our homework first. Every duties we have to do. We have to do these things first before we do telekinesis. Otherwise, our mind is way too distracted. Also, we have to do telekinesis in a clean environment. If your house is a mess, your mind can't focus on telekinesis. So make sure your house is clean. And After you do all these things, then you can practice telekinesis. How do we do this? We need to find an object we have a connection to, like these shades. I always wear those shades when it's sunny outside, so today I'm gonna do telekinesis with those shades. So I try to build a connection to those shades. I do that by focusing on the memories, and I touched it a lot so I can feel the object. Then I start the breathing, 100% in, 50% out, and then I just keep focusing on the object. Try to clear my mind. I try to not think of anything, not even telekinesis, not of anything. I do the breathing, and then when I feel the connection, then it's actually the simple part. Then I can move the object, just like I can move my arm. It's the same sensation. It's not like I'm not telling my arm, please move arm, then it moves. No, my brain gives the command and my arm executes. Same with kinesis. Okay. That's how I do it. So these are the steps to do telekinesis. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good day.